All right, so today I'm going to take you on a drive on one of South Everett's main thoroughfares, SR-96, also known or commonly known as 128th Street Southwest around here. We're going to leave from Silver Firs, which is on the east end of SR-96, and we'll take it as far west as you can take it, all the way to the Boeing Factory. So that'll be 128th Street. Which actually becomes Airport Road after we cross over Highway 99 Evergreen Way. So here we go, State Route 96, 128th Street Southwest, westbound towards Boeing. Okay, so we're on a drive on 128th Street Southwest, also known as State Route 96 here in South Everett. And after you cross over Highway 99, it becomes Airport Road because we're going right towards Painfield Airport. We're going to see that on the left here in just a minute. And then you end up at the Boeing Factory. There's a garbage truck going that way. The garbage dump is directly that way, right by the airport in the industrial area here. That's at Airport Road and Minuteman Drive. So if you're following where we are, that's where we are right now. And you'll see Painfield Airport here on the left. We got that new sign. And then coming into view, you see the Boeing Factory, or a portion of it. I believe that's one of the storage hangars there. And then as we round the corner, you'll see the factory where the planes are actually built, the production lines. Straight ahead, right after this light, we should see it. Painfield Airport in Everett is pretty cool because you got the Boeing test flights out here, and then you also have some commercial flights. Everett is a wonderful place to live. We're going to pass under the bridge here in just a minute, and then we're going to be headed out towards, actually we're probably way past that in the video, but probably all the way out to the factory by now.